Alright guys, this is 6 days. The last stage is almost 30 minutes. It's still working. I can still see bubbling there. Right there. Yeah. And yeah, the water is still dark yellow. Wow. Like so far so good. I just came from work and I rested for like half an hour and then soaked my foot, both my feet in on this basin with Epsom salt and warm water, and then I get this ionic foot spa, ionic device for it. Ooh. So far so good guys, it's working. I think it's working.